So today we're going to Castle Combe. It's about 21 kilometers, which is around 14 miles, I guess, one way. So we'll have quite a bit of riding today. Let's go, baby! I took a wrong turn. I had to travel a couple of miles extra. Now this looks like quite a steep hill. At least for my level, it is quite steep. Whew. Don't know if I'll be able to continue riding, or will I need to step down and walk? Let's see. Still uphill. Oh God. Legs are absolutely burning. Might not seem much, but it is killing me. What a masterpiece! Here we are in Castle Combe. Famous Manor House Hotel. This is the famous Ellen's Cottage shop.